Have you ever been at an airport and thought, uh-oh, what do I say now?
Exactly. You want to sound confident, but suddenly all the English words fly out of your head like airplanes.
Don't worry, today we'll fix that. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to speak English naturally at the airport, from check-in to boarding.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Emily and Paul, your friendly space to learn real English for real life.
If you love traveling or dream of going abroad one day, this lesson is perfect for you. Today, we'll show you simple, natural English conversations you can use at the airport, step by step.
And we'll practice together. You'll listen, repeat, and feel more confident speaking in English anywhere in the world.
All right, grab your imaginary passport. Let's go to the airport. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Great. Could you please place it on the scale?
Of course.
Perfect. Your bag is within the weight limit. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight boards at gate 22 at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Okay, let's look at some key phrases. I'd like to check in for my flight to Isawais. This is a polite way to say what you want to do.
I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
2. May I see your passport, please? This is what the agent says. It means, can I look at your passport? But more polite. 3. Are you checking any bags? That means, do you have luggage to put in the airplane's storage area?
And here's a pro tip. Always say, here you go when giving something. It's natural, friendly, and used everywhere. Here you go.
Not, take this. That sounds like you're throwing it at them.
Did you know the word check-in can be both a noun and a verb? I'm gonna check in. Where's the check-in counter?
English loves doing that. Same word, 2 jobs. Good morning.
Morning. Please place your bag and laptop in the tray.
Sure thing. Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please. And empty your pockets, too.
Okay, all done.
Thank you. You can go through the scanner now. All good. Have a great flight.
Thanks.
Let's review a few useful sentences you'll hear here. No pun intended. Please place your bag and laptop in the tray. That means put your things in the box before the scanner. Do I need to take off my shoes? You're politely asking for instructions. You can also say, should I take off my shoes? Same meaning. Empty your pockets. That means take everything out. Keys, phone, coins, before you go through. Emily, repeat after me.
Do I need to take off my shoes? Empty your pockets. All good. Nice and easy. Ah, finally. Time for coffee before the flight.
Hi there. What would you like to drink?
Can I have a small cappuccino, please?
Sure. Anything to eat?
No, thank you. Just the coffee.
That'll be $3.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks.
Notice how Emily said, can I have, instead of give me. That's because can I have is polite and natural in English. Can I have a small cappuccino, please?
You can also say, I'll have a coffee, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, Flight 201 to London is now boarding at gate 22.
That's me. Time to go.
Good morning. May I see your boarding pass and passport, please? Sure. Here you go. Thank you. You're in seat 14A, window seat B.
Perfect, thank you.
Enjoy your flight.
Here are a few must-know travel phrases.
May I see your boarding pass? The flight attendant will always say this before you board.
You're in seat 14A. You can reply, thank you, or great, thanks.
Enjoy your flight. A nice, friendly way to end the conversation.
And if you're the one boarding, you can say, thank you, have a good day. Simple, polite, and warm.
All right, now it's your turn. We'll say the situation, and you say what you'd say in English. Ready? You're at the check-in counter. You want to check in for your flight to Paris. What do you say?
You can say, hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to Paris.
Security asks you to remove your jacket. What do you say?
Sure, no problem.
The flight attendant asks for your boarding pass.
Here you go.
Nice job. Tip 1. Keep it short. You don't need long sentences. Short, polite phrases are perfect. Example. Instead of I am requesting to know when we will start boarding, just say, when do we board?
Tip 2. Smile. Seriously, a smile makes your English sound more confident and friendly, even if your grammar isn't perfect. Tip 3. Listen for tone. People at airports speak fast, but don't panic. Focus on keywords. Passport, boarding, gate number. That's all you really need to understand what's high. Keening. Tip 4. Repeat after people in your head. When you hear have a nice flight, quietly repeat it in your mind. That's how you train your brain to speak naturally. Let's review 10 useful airport words.
Check-in, boarding pass, gate, carry-on security check, boarding, departure, arrival, customs, passport.
Try saying them out loud. It helps you remember faster.
Good morning. Welcome aboard.
Good morning.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
You can use can I have, could I get, may I have. All three mean the same, but may I have sounds most polite. Can I have some water, please? Could I get a blanket? May I have some coffee?
Perfect. Okay, traveler. Your challenge today. Write 3 sentences you would use at the airport.
For example, I'd like to check in for my flight to Dubai. Where is gate 14, please? Can I have some water, please?
Write them in the comments below. We'll check and correct them for you.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. Checking in. I'd like to check in for my flight to security. Do I need to take off my shoes? Boarding. May I see your boarding pass? On the plane. Can I have some water, please?
And don't forget those pro tips. Smile, keep it short, listen for key keywords, and repeat in your mind.
You did amazing today. You're officially airport ready.
If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next lesson at the hotel.
And remember, the best way to learn English is to use it. So next time you travel, speak up with confidence. You've got this. See you in the next video. Bye.
See you, bye.